na because and then if you don't just share the video na yen kona mo comment nyina mo di aba no making kan nyina mamo Ila says more fire mama. Yes, I'm going to put more fire. Eric Twaso.
No say only obane dimu ho na say obane da ho no mo say log ana timba bi na sana on kinya ne ho a unim empempi na nema ekoso obema ni tirimu no me yiri ana so obana me di no is she really enjoying me?
Okay,
is she in the mood? What is happening? Into bon say ho no mo na wankasa obema no crap no ahode no eba fom inti no that moment no as I say bema no so we make sure all o senses ni na say timi adwuma and na oba ne so say wo so wan value ho na wan fa ho anhye edie na mudi ni mu na there's no way on so benya satinka no nti e hono no na afi na akoye say bema ne ha me this year ne obo say etwa ne for kakra bi pe na asa dry nti eye dry pe na feature say friction ya be mu na bema no udi oba no kwa na say enije enim etwa ne so dey say timi for e for na echi eno na enjoyment no na say that moment no so oba no eni sa mood nim ana say oba na ma sa pleasure na mba mu a there's no sex.
There's no sex.
Sex should be
there's no intimacy.
No intimacy. Sex must be enjoyed.
Of course.
And sex and so no a relief of pressure.
That's right.
And my umoja needs to di omo efusani ye. And my ultimate nyini che. That is if you get good sex. Until all the time who mu di mo ho a and say mo communicate. And say mo timi kasa ho, mo je ho. Na mood no e great for both of you to enjoy it. Now who di oba na say be ma who di na che say tibo dey only say kafu wo be be ma na say na yo no aba be say. You know ma arechiche emma adie ni mu. Emma enije emma adie ni mu. Nti nije ne de say wo pese wunya e say wo do hu nyina ewuram. And yes, that time never back unnecessary things. And that time no na and unnecessary accusations be so on say o condom ne dey u be di me say u di me o ne girl ne ijina ho na me ko kan no so u ba be say na dey okoye ne dey wa ba u ba be di you know you are putting the man off.
Okay,
this is not the time to be accusing.
That's right.
And to be apportioning blames. We must enjoy the sex.
It's important.
Yes,
it's important.
And say be man udi oba ne so crap na on Kenya no ho na you know just say a lot of things goes on in your mind.
That's right.
My
prompting your viewers and your listeners, sir. I want you to be more on Facebook because maybe sex position for the week, maybe I'm African very soon or the better page and so. It's about to let everybody come. When you know 200 money phantom because we know you will love it and like it. Okay, Eric also.
Well, so obane da na obane so be man e di wo no just say then e koso on so tirim na be ma di odi mi ana me kunu odi mi ene metwe ne mu ye kama ene metwe no nani je ho de because ono so hwe be ma no said dia enkese so gigi twen no ho ana said ogigi edie na odi ne ho no onya ono so ne ma be koso woni tirim de na me kunu ne kra mood net ne sen into most of the time ekuma de bia o ka say mood di mu e say mo so kanea no very very important. Mundi mu ho kanea na mo hwe mo ho manim na mo di mu na mo read science na ekoso obonim no and na kire say you are really enjoying or not na sum no ma hu hwe and they say akafu na wa ba sen na oba eni anje ana be man so eni anje.
Okay,
e mema na nya all the time na say we release ya na kire say oni anje o in the mood in the process in the crap no say edigen woman.
Yes,
you feel it.
I'm just looking. Yes, and go for a bamo. Hey, Mr. Mumra, me the two mama say e konka.
You feel it and you enjoy it more. And when the team ma nya sa atenka ne say ene de mani age nti to ho na say wo da unya sound sleep. Oba ne so to ho no so da ono so nya sound sleep. Sex no enye emema no nko na etaye sleeping tablets mayo. Oba unya good sex you sleep soundly. Emma ultimi ade chia wo ti si wo so kama. Emma ultimi eya wo dwuma said ya oye no pepepe you know into all the time no be say the bia na seriously o manim na say party baako ana partner baako anya that sex that love that enjoyment in the sex or love making no all the time na just a confusion wo all the time na baako ebe twetwe nine baako kokoda ho no ma na je no wada ho no say etima be man so na ye bedi na be oba ne episode di be man no na che say ono so akoye bibia ho and the oba ne ye hwe krapa ne ninje e ma kote ne ntimi ensori ma ne ni no nti sex ne love making it dear ebusuan for yes sremu say ye bedi a ye be have sex na mama ye fa ehu nyina nshi and you forget the past you forget their AC now you moving on.
That's right.
Now, because a man be brave on omunni omho enya omorgasm da. Obi asem yo kan yo say kronfo bi be repeat no crab just say
me can say issue na mani ye ni de.
E mani ye ni de.
Enti no jeje ho afei. Papa ni say enti said ya me no want for 15 years I'm rebia me no nya mpem agroi. One jeje ho da said ya konfo no wo jeje obdi wana wo ma wona so begin na wo su ba de kire me wo say na wo enjoy na wo absorb no na wo bupa na wo
budishia no obushia no obushia no
na obum na obum na obum na ochi hey na ash na samasi
so I didn't say what you say
it's all ya ni o
ya ni na anje ni fu sem oh ya ni we crap oba no cry no virgin into no nim say ade no ebi didi bi achi ayi just unfortunate say e ban is ha into na busuafo mumma ye making sure
say me the video na ma African but na mesne enye nu de America no oh afa na eba say you ready pet me man dey atum but they are money no man dey atum and you like it okay into
mumma ye ma eni jemra ye love making ni because at the end of the day no oba no otie nsem ana be man so no so tie nsem mu ready mu hwe movies said their name is called amount for problems or more share until you should use those problems to solve yours. Yes, so be some stuff what me be simple. And atreman so de bejoa dro bejoa
atreman that's why
well ebusia for into mama enya ye ho adro na intimi enjoy sex oba so timi ye ho adro yi na be ma na edi wa asem adwene bia nkoso woni tirim obenya clear mind obenya good mind na otime dey do ye making sure say so all the time so ye no mbon ye wo good breath ye wo good scent e wo ye ho enum ni nyina say body no e wo odor be ma na di krapa enjoy
enum ntimi mo nkomo ntimi kan hwe adwe won ti ye onye ntem ye ordinity ba me na wo dan ho ti wo bon say na wa empa na wo da mu no nye comfortable na ba ma just Adom nya na se me ba afa no ba twantro ma ya se me ya menti apo so
yes
enti mpemu agro na nkasa ebeye da your body hygiene must be 100%.
Yes
When they say me just ansam neka me betna radio is international local radio is can say me wo niema me tonwa ema bebre eni mema ebetimi ato na abusu wo ego up mama confidence level no etimi akọ high. Eric, could me say when I want to talk to you?
Yeah.
I don't maybe she hear me say me come
yeah.
Because me no more.
Yeah.
Me more to me more. If you fret me, but if you let me cry now, and if you fret bon. No. From a distance. Yes. You want me to come close to you because and from Anna, if me home by now, it's sweet.
Yeah.
And your perfume now. Oh yeah, it's here. And yet to la perfume no. At times walk on a body cream or obesra.
Yeah.
A cow honam no ho. Hand cream or ha. Would you want some sweethearts? Now I want 48 hours.
Yes.
We shake you beer. Or feel it.
Yeah.
I saw bone you made you no I yet like soup. And I ben coin. And I cutting coin. And I cutting contour. No, did the right natural ingredients. Egum. Who could this ben couldn't come afro? Who could this fatedeshi and the akplanwa? And now this time, what you say up to now, you will be the moment say Eddie Emo ever seen.
Oh yeah.
Into or someone I know I'm one say. And into be the Emuna, we know shows that what's make say, see you know, I won't say.
Yeah.
Or bow maybe and we are powder the dear say, and choir, they be an choir like on Sano. Son, was say, or che a hot tear. Son, was say, or body no, a tear. Mammy can't send me Obia or Obia Bekai. Won't say some more office. Not more Dawson. Won't say girls be or no, Mancasa. Remember, almost you know, it was a debut of Banobia Bana too. And yes, I have 2 cents you home, or better home, perfume, no, I cannot add in him. And ladies, watch this. More office, there be a particular person, or ba 2 or boy, or Joe, beautiful or dolly be their kind of home. Or better cheer with them. Or here, so nice, great, you know, perfume never wants some, then it's what can it so that is how it should be. My body no, near me be encoquano. Said by I may be okno that crowd now on scent. I want home. There be an on scent. I will walk home. Once no scent. I will. That's all. Some time back, I went to a place. Not many lady near Kosha or the Adiba sense your kakoshe. You do one of Mama Zembe. Mikunabaha. Semikru mahatia and you'll be a using perfume nibi. Or say Senyami kun nabahadia and you'll be a day. Hey, you su, sir. I don't know. I feel my husband has been here. Lo and behold, Sawa parking or shop punechi, one parking or car park. Because a working hours into a parking or shop on a car park now. Somebody might see him. It's a park or different place. You have a paper say, some catch also my bad about me, be unpacking dangerous because working hours, it's been the question, and I'm so. So, no sense. And a man so me smart and fast, no. Say, Nick Kunkofa or baby house, perfume, where I am my perfume. I say, oh, so when him secretary say, I'm Pamato. Oh, ain't he my partner? And who certain things about your body, money who ye. Ma African I load you home. Okay, all right. I'll say a lodi. Na man and young son ye. Mama nan son the American. Hey, 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 hey. Ha ha. And then be what? Well, every woman, forget about your weight. Forget about your weight. You should be able to do so many things. Oklahoma legs are not for me. Now imagine that where you now we say legs are not for me. I don't know for it. I hear not a hurry. Nakasa. Hey, obedi where you are. Where yeah, they find China amount, but there are some things that should go through your mind when you are making love, thinking about, which I want you to mention few, and not be a phone line them, which I want you to mention few, Eric. So go ahead.
Within you, no, who your ban on us, who share ne reactions towards you now. You know what goes on? ABR and just say, I'm making my woman enjoy me. My woman is feeling me until no that edge, you know, to also do more. I have to make this woman enjoy to the max.
That's right.
I have to make her enjoy to the highest level. And you know, within you, know, that is what is going on. You don't want to let the woman feel say you are not doing your job right.
That's right.
So you always want to be on your toes. Do it and do it right. Yes. So the woman within Obano and Kasano Crapono just say said the embrace no said the all jija no crapono and my own saying yes. Oh yeah, we do money. Into no bet me for that offense manem ko trimun so say and I near my sometimes so time a kike and who so say no, I have to make sure say Obano Nenibaji na me rentem. So ba be react them crap no. And so to me it now nice to ye. no, I did any semi releasing says yeah. Because mood now bane do no, and I be obane do no, and this semi jamo. So I been in a year juma all the time. And this all call off the beat, so call off the beat there, not just say, Asami Yaba. Not just say, when you're in the interest, see, I'll be releasing. Until I say, man, dear, and in fact, me they make some man most of the time. Make sure say, why you know. Oh, I didn't know how so. Now we answer, make sure to say, Obane responded positively. And on the mouse, edge, no, sir, and what then I'm waiting me a dinner. Now waiting me a D. Ache. Now, so when Yasa, when Mawini and Daho, now we Obano actions now, and I say response now, they mauna. And then you are failing. You are going off. Internet so back it up or stamina. Wow. Until it takes the lady and say, oh, make ya. And so I didn't know that move. I said, I didn't know you're clean. I didn't know you're positive. Be beer because of why you should be positive.
Okay.
Should be positive. Positive about yourself, positive about the woman. Said, yes, I have to make her happy. I have to make sure, say, I'm not losing. I'm not going to lose her too. Baby, Obeko Bia or two kind cry. She's always eager to come home.
That's right.
Or two kind baby, Obeko Biano. She said, oh, Pentamo. Who won't chain crapper? Then in the Aje. They be and quick, you know. And all the time when you're careful, and they say, Munchiam who call a baby, and just a cookie per se happen.
Okay, a lot of people are sharing the videos. Sweetheart, keep on sharing the videos. Keep on sharing the videos. Pa, mon share na yanko. Oh. Wow. Oh, really? I see. And no. I see, I saw, I concurred. Mate. Kandia wope. No sorry, tie wate. Kandia wope for bibiara hon. No osuru ori tie wate. Tie. Nyami dion tonko. Nyami dion nayo. Kandia wope o. Na osuru bete. But the way I want to cast and pan for bia hon. Nipa wuni muno. Nipa wuhu ne da. Wuni ne busia bia no. Asembia so na woka. Order for. Missing nyami dion tonko. Nyami die onayo. Kania wope o. Na osoro bete. Wobina odi kokonsa. Nipa na akai misesia. You see, I was looking at my phone. One more compound house. Na nipa na ababa wa on worry. If your compound house no, ema worry ho emiensa. Ena mienu against ba ko wa worry no. Ena mienu omu against ba ko wa omu ne omu a 5 no a omu worry no ma ye ba ko. And they say so many things. And first no, na omu ka bibia na papa na wate. Na o motuti ni no, but there was a time. The woman became wise, and one day, and the people fifty to say by 7:30 anopa, no 50, and she spoke to me. And I say, also make she know me can me kuntie, me kun blame me na me dear me say do me ni abotre de bia me say. And I say, "Woni baby, who phone?" Or say, "I." And who here? So Becca say, "Oh video money ehun, but the fatu video, fatu baby na emfa voice no." And she did. Beman ba yenwa. She had another message too. Sir, do you know what they do? They video her wife and sent to him. And she, Mamma is all telling the panel, oh, but it's not a son, what kind of so? Not why did he say, and I say, then Yaji bin or no, so, but not on Casa because, or no Casa. Ever contradicted what she's recording, and no tuning, not any who say nobody should know. Or so, see a catch when you are here. Say, yeah, oh, yes, I read the Yachi, just or yet near. And the panel, or bounce, eh, and then so, them, no, senior, I decode some yes and also Ginety. And this is what the song the man came out to sing. Mon ka de mo pe. Osuru ye den otie. Nyame ontonko onaye. Aden na wo de opese wo say obi abrabo. This is not part of the discussion, but and come obi me boy me call phone say na prompt me something. What do I just say the be say obi awade? Why you say be say nipa? What do you be awadru mpese obi adu hobi? Jam boni kwa na wo timo. Ema ye emema ye. Aden na mo pe. Da be na mo be sua de. Et we fie so adui usuban boni a emema ne ba mo kono hu. We juma nkoso yi hu. What that so? In this friend saying 21st century, and when nobody expected, nobody knew, so we're going to get into this situation. Coronavirus, that they turned into new COVID-19. And we are still finding in Assasa, and yeah, a crank one, but the whole wide world, Assasano, wants to say, and face out Tibia imo. Obika Salon Tiasia Umisa. And a year day. And a year day. You better change your social media honor. A bit de Giadepa. A bit de Jessica. Would also go concern in some phone and other battle. Lies. It's about time about 100 people should come together. So we start suing people. We should start it. We should bring UK to Ghana, America to Ghana, France to Ghana. We should start suing people. It's about time we start suing people. Because and they don't care who you are. You could be a man of God, an elderly, a chief or a queen mother, and an elderly person, and nobody cares a hoot. They just go there and start saying things that is not true. Now, if they are blind, they also follow blindly. Me bancho munyawate. Munyai na nye mamo. Munyai. Me colleague ambofu eje wabonyo munyai. Munyai na nye mamo. Munyai na emwamo. All right. This is just a piece of advice to those who are still in the foolish world. This is just an advice to those of you who are still in that foolish world. Okay? Right.
Serious case now,
yes, let's leave it and continue. One more tieno, one more wisdom, one more grace. How good this show is. They should keep on listening. Yeah. Yes, and you are going to get great benefits. I just love you. But the obi chakwana achia or see it say that most sometimes ultimate semeno ane enti enche nkofo ne gada kakra enche the video ni betum. Me ma African sign ni pe or the betum. Na bibia aye okay eno nti yenko then so be activate phone lines and temper the phone lines will be activated early mama can few messages now for me activating phone lines and once you watch and listen to us, sweetheart, things to think about during sex. What are some of the things you think about during sex? Obeka Sakuma, tell us, what do you think about when you're making love? Tell us, what do you think about when you're having the quickies? Tell us, what do you think about? Oh, I always prepare my mind that I want both of us to enjoy. And I make sure I make you enjoy, you make me enjoy. So I communicate during sex. And I say good things that will boost immune system up, and then also boost your morale and your confidence. So you want to do it and do it again. You never want to finish doing it again. You want to, if it's kissing, you want to kiss me, because during the kissing, I will want to talk while you're kissing me, so you can imagine. Me person me kasana, what you mean? And just that sound alone. What was it? The man also ash. Oh baby, you love it. You understand? You just love it. Yeah. Oh, now there are times position near the and sometimes you're not able to breathe well, and you Oh yes, I saw. Office open more. Until we now bunny pan. You know, so great things in my mind because I want to enjoy it. Because when you say, when you're crew, number both motias na yet me deal pa na ayoda. When you say, am I very good skin?
Oh yes.
What my brother?
Baby.
Because we bake Pierre from head to toe. Yes. You are refreshed.
Yes.
You don't need to do your sin to two. Oh, yes, it's true.
Yeah, so system very strong.
Yeah, you're very strong.
Yes.
Everything about you is super. Yeah. It's natural, beautiful, and super. And to one, I was so catch me. Nia, when you cool down, if I dream, say, and you're good. I'm going to say, there be AI and say, and AI say, oh, see, I dream about team and so many things, oh.
Oh, yes. So, Obi catch me say, no answer, no bit me enjoy and hear no. Say, or be dinner, maybe I just saw or imagine the past a debut dear, the ex be out and a die, no. Yeah, no, yeah, no. Just so I imagine no more, and sana with me, yasa, and need to make the dinner. One of the air cost will be to the moon. Into a banner that on the only show, him say, Bermano, and then said your no bano, a responding and answer yen who my Berman and Nene Dano. Meanwhile, Berman could recollect in the past. A debut DAN.
That's right.
No, ultimately, Baby said shoots and shoots, no, and they do.
Yeah.
It's your bano, and I saw young homework here. You don't need, as I say, you know, to me, homework here because Obano's better me as I don't know. Send the ex, you said you did no, they ain't deno, or kite and no, or the other one situation, not the enjoy Bema. Until the cost where you trim during sex. And answer love making, no, it's a lot.
It's a lot. It's so I dream body about to my dream, so you start your body betting about it. But would you again, Papa? Who said, Papa made me, Sapapan Swana Mary, Edgeny. Papa made me, Sapapan Swana me, Crun Sweden, or Jenny. What I say? Who said there are some certain times who I can't send beer. Now, no coon, I crash it, yet make a oh, what's a Yamaka? Oh, now, you better watch your obedience because my dream I pay. So, and it's in African, all the video a bit. Now, for first call. First call, we are. Now, Faye, the video, no, sex position for the we need your tomb. Now, for my share. Now, my mom, hey, I can't do level now, my panel. And right now, I'm going to activate the phone lines. And as I activate the phone lines as well, I'll read all your comments. More about Facebook. Now I feel your call and now I'll bet me a friend. Now what do I do? Try about 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Yeah. Adom 106.3 FM ODO AHOMASO with your one and only Kuma Mama Zimbi. Meda se papa Emmanuel Kofi Esiedu said, I love your teachings about sex education. Mama, you are too much. Emmanuel, thank you so much. Eric Obin here says, tell them, Ghanaians don't think about themselves. I'm just putting a bit of them right, you know. Michael says, I have been through this. Because of this, my marriage has broken. Sir, because of what? Michael say, let me know what has broken your marriage. Please, I want to know, my darling. Say it again to me. Someone says, hi, good evening to you all. You are Ketiels. And now they Nyankopon I will deep in. Patience here says patience are straight or say a bit best said here. So if you can, if the calls are through, just pass them on for me, please. 0302 216 561. The topics is things to think about during sex. Stop calling my line. Munya me line if we me ma kwa ba di ba ODO AHOMASO.
ODO so Mama Kuma.
Wudin baby afefi.
It was a Ernest Bar. In a check at Ashama.
Yo, Ernest, wow, go.
It was Joe program model. Model Joe. Dana, you go. In a mojo, my land, no matter what you for. The poor them here. no one of my man and Massa Mother. Yanoko, Madam.
Ipa payo lo hi program to boy ke wamanya gbeki no mama fosin mini abe ma fra ye o si ense mi hano bibi jiji no bibi dina kuma enti opese obenya me na me so nko so ntie se ye be amsan be pon me na ma ebe to so e di amano Emmanuel here say fantastic. All right, me ma ko about the ODO AHOMASO.
Good evening.
Good evening, sweetheart. How about come on so would deem baby are free.
But you within this court, because it's logo.
Okay, Scott, is the conform to say.
But you're not the more.
So it's here. What was once I didn't know what you will do here.
But you're not make catches with physical problems still in your personal life, not only Nakasa.
Okay, problem, nobody me I can go ahead, say it.
But I can't remember, like, your school. But if school, no, like, I can't remember, say, even young Korean who parent for to train on homeless on Sunday. So I don't understand.
What we at school now, how many years in it, please?
For 2.5 years.
2.5 years in it. But I'm more school, no more champion.
Yes.
Okay. Open school, open school boyfriend, oh, but you won't pay as a husband. And some of your school, now 2 years in it, still or resist it, or reluctant. One person can go negotiate. Me pacho forget. Why? Forget about her. Me ma call about the ODO AHOMASO.
What that's so?
That's it. But man, now team baby are free.
Oh, yes, I may obey.
Robin, who free?
Free no more.
Oh, no one for who dear.
I shall move.
Great. And then come a boy, I am Pema grow. When you remove farm home, demo home, more groom home, I am Jim Ben and Namu team.
Oh, we no problem, Cacrell. Me name is na in sense anything be a man, a baby should be a no, or told did we are no other. O did we no other, Kuma, me problem no. I am our guy crumble a person.
Debbie, well, if you my body, you know what, by my was said here. On Napra Cupasa. No,
Mr. Kuma, what do?
Oh, did we are on running, sir?
Mr. Menuka, oh, running, sir.
Oh, Yare.
Oh, Jarry.
At oh, Jerry and son or Bedidi.
Oh, Jerry and son or Bedidi.
Oh, yeah, what did you have?
This will point you, Mamma. You know, me at you on more. And come on, move.
Patch on your no, mammy says here. Obama is slow.
Me Pia went in Ghana and before an American. Menuka say, what that?
Wow.
What that would name Cromwell and just sent it to her. I never quite Timmy soon was, I don't know.
If I told a brain now, or that's a noir. Ain't you or corrupt bedroom or done alcohol? Who won't try so Benyanino?
The Unya, when they need to think, or to mean in Angasam, or say Unya and J. Naka, only next year.
Wow. Ain't it more for how long?
Oh, yeah, 3 years to 4 years. I'm a Columba primary, yeah,
Wow. Ain't it 3 to 4 years? What did you know how many times?
Oh, Medina, since yeah. Bia, one called Juma, and I'm Miss Manco, Bia, and need down so there now. But some of your pa, dear Kuma, Mitiopa.
Okay.
And so Minicia, and Pratriano, not had any hole. But you see an already seat now that is with the demand or Tony and
in fact, I was a pisan at the Contia and Manibasa.
But Mr. Mosa, they be a contoca. Hammer.
Most of the for
you know what?
What is a haya? Make it an mean sham away.
Me fat you, my dear.
And I'm a question that to say.
Me fat you.
Bukwesiada, Mokwa Sanamo after church, and I'm more plans to say.
Oh, you run my plans, a big fear, a baby, and you born some so. Do I want them to name so? You pick a car.
What's me pay?
It's me pay.
Okay.
I see a pay, ye pay about saying, get what door, and ye gene be fear, not a man.
Okay, it's me surprise. See me. The other said, "Damn, we pay no. Send me text. I come and ebeko ha. Not surprisingly, my be pay ho. Me be pay was so they win. We watch them at idea over share. So I'll come and talk to you. I do that most of the time. Now my time with table. Hold on now. Yeah. Side me nyabe chawati.
Matches.
Nyami show be brave.
It's about me boy about me confirm ke. I'm no me ni ke no dami me fi na dere. Me nye pie free here. Any one now. Obefrefre me call sa ezo mo fi fe no ada.
It's go na ko fa no di no.
O me di e kuma me ni na me di pa.
And who does no girl no?
O ma wo friend but ese me premier ni ntino me tan nya no e fa ma dwen ma no sa.
Yeah. And again, so within this week, here, per time I'm pay. Now, frame send me text message. Fako 0244 340 484. Send me a text message. Akuma Wednesday way, Thursday way, Friday way, Saturday way. Yebeko sports ha. Yebeko ha. Na me shiamo ho. Mate.
Mate. That's.
Nyaminti ebe solve it. Wate.
Mate.
Oh yeah, dear Dinchin say Yakupan from Suma be brave. Aye. Can I have the next caller, sweetheart? Oh, so sorry. When to be so Esther Osei. Okay, Esther Osei says, God bless you, Mama. Me da say, Papa, me born na manana nko frɛ. And mo disturb say. Okay, my main king can Facebook Nika Kram. Alfred Kelly says, loving your show a lot. Linda Sapomaya and Nim say, I'm enjoying the show from Tema Community 12. God bless Adom FM and God bless ODO AHOMASO. Alfred Kelly here again says, I have misunderstanding with my wife and I don't know what to do. Please help me out. You should tell me what the misunderstanding is before I can come in, sweetheart. Stop calling my line. Washe. Ruby Vicky says kudos to you, Mama, and kudos to you for watching and listening. Cynthia Ajua say I love this show. Mema kwaba di ba ODO AHOMASO.
Odon so akuma.
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah.
Who did maybe after free?
Kuma ofa Kelly. Your PlayStation cycle. You kuma mama mo abaso. Na me nchia Brian keso so en bona baso. Kuma mama ni kaka me nwe yo kasa sisi a se the wife no da wo hwan kromo no. Dem se oba na kasa ni modu kakra. Nkromo hwan no we no ya oba kasa ni modu. Ya oda otada ya no. Oda ya pe obi hwan kromo. Because of the mood you need to know. Some what they know ho. And akuma na mo busa say me ne me yire won pama dia adwen na ya na ba metim. Akuma ade ba ko ma me ne me yire be kompamu no ye akono pa ni ade dikan. Any taste. Akono ni taste. It in case me ne wife won pama ni ye di ho agra. Minya akono no mo. Akono no te ewo mu a e man home from me. In case of any yes, Sequana be a me who bar because of Akono Nintino. And check, now who's our sorry, Jasuna, my sister made to us because no one from me. It's the idea of woman team palm and wife, ye dear woman team, a Akono, any taste. The dead no, any Akono, and the idea of woman team power, sex me, Akuma, a Akono.
I say, I cannot any taste. What for K? But thank you all so much. Now, once what dear a day, I cannot any taste. Thank you so much. I cannot any taste. Wow. This is just super. Mommy, I'm still reading the Facebook messages. Wow. Kumate Doris says, patience. Okay. Meda say, Papa. Efia Belinda here says, Mema kwaba di ba ODO AHOMASO.
Adom so.
That's udi be dia o free.
Me kasa fi also ho. Me di Philip.
Yo, me da say yanko.
Odi na me pesa me ka di kakra.
Me say wo di wo yira, adwen ben ne ba wo tim.
Akono neba mitim aye me de papa.
Yo, me da se papa. Osia kono ene bani team. Efia Belinda says, Mama, God bless you. God bless you too, Efia. Yo, me da se papa. Me da se na me sa be friend ade wajin traba 0302216562. Watson Elizabeth said, Mommy, I need to talk to you seriously. Please, when can I call you? Call me tomorrow by grace at 1 p.m. Watson Elizabeth Boateng, call me tomorrow after 1 p.m. Mema Kwaba Diba ODO AHOMASO.
Hello.
Hello, sweetheart. Mema Kwaba Diba ODO AHOMASO.
Yeah, no, ma.
Oh, Udin baby afre free.
Pacho, needing the Kwabenya.
Oh, Kwabenya for young kwaya, yet you.
Pacho, my social but after we have to be a young Mr. Fleck, now,
The Pacho Yamea, do my never Yaminti Casani and Co and Pacho.
Pacho, my girlfriend, oh, comes to my class.
Won't say the answer.
Like, me one with the Japan minute or 40 20
Won't worry, it won't say the may and I say.
Me one with the girlfriend, no. Now I say what baby, then I'm saying, I want to.
Any air break it, but me see, yeah. What just our girlfriend and the Wahono. Now, so I first to Bambia and your papa, yes, okay. Yo, studying here now, I feel jotted to away.
But you,
because someone of a don't make I say, Suban, when Wafa, if you are fun and for on Yemi say, we should know the character you're talking about. Eric Obin here said, thank you for your advice because marriage is a beautiful thing. Mama Zimbi, yes, it is so beautiful and sweet. Mema Kwaba Diba ODO AHOMASO.
Adom
Me da so din baby afre free.
That's your family, John, because I feel shame.
Yo, Johnny, let's go. Where is my Johnny? I'll give you my Johnny.
I dare you, I me to say. Sometimes the boy Jumana. A bam to say, the way me boy Jumano, or bam Nina, or Penana.
And you may be our deal. Seminary, Semifano, Semidinwa.
Semidinwa.
That's right.
Yeah, bam to say, the way me din. Open sana, and the way me design. Say, open sa, Lincoln Samao. Anna.
Oh, be sana then or catch her.
Or sometimes for you will be coming or tell me send a macom. Let me use my con.
That's right. Communication, it will dear with dear yo. Why are dear? Why are dear?
Yes.
It's a coso, what?
Mati.
See, on ordinary area. I will not use idea me in here, Anna, Mammy Missane, or say I, now if you want your holding, now would dinner more and more and more. Mema Kwaba Diba ODO AHOMASO. Me da say, Bemena. Would din baby afre free? Oh, daddy, and line name on your papanti, men Simonini ye, your daddy.
But I feel ultimate.
But I said that crystal clear.
Akuma, last week, you know, it needs concentration and patience. And I feel so, none of you should be selfish. Except we help each other. The emphasis will be no one say now the concentration no and lack it. I didn't way in Kwakuma and I'm doing so. It is concentration in one more. It doesn't help at all.
Hi, Daddy. Medasi. My son was a petty and wash away.
Yo, Medasi.
Means Medasi. So, or see, you need concentration. Oh, now I yen ash. Not man, you're selfish. Man, you won't go home. In love making, you don't think of yourself alone. It's a dual career. So it's a two-way affair in love making. Mema Kwaba Diba ODO AHOMASO.
Okay.
Hi, baby. Oh, for you would dinner more from a one. I dream by about him.
Pacho Kwakudia in La Paz.
Hey, to say.
Yango Adom. You're Michelle no Bagafo. Akuma me de se me di me ira Diana ebe mitrim ne se adobema me edi mu surprise no. Na ya me kai na me timi di no mo.
Eda ono be mo edi surprise no.
Ti se bia style bia yenyi da na bia wodi kai ayi no. Na ya me kai na timi aye no mo.
Na why you be amount?
Otaye.
I ya ne say.
Akuma ne de just TV na metro na radio see minti
Yo enche me de start ba betum. Enti mo share videos no. Ye we call we pe me de video ni ba betum. Na ma share na mama me hu mu aye.
Okay.
Me da se pa.
Me so me da se.
Nyame nka won so ho. Se dem say mati ODO AHOMASO ase no ho. I am a dama mu bia. Okay. Christian says, please no names. Good. Mama Zimbe, very educative and interesting program. I am dating a lady whose dad is outside, right? The country doesn't approve of our relationship just because I'm a gun. Okay, don't worry, my brother. Relax. Relax. Relax, my brother. Relax, Mokra. Jemo here, Kajano. Konu Okpoka Jamin Kola. Oh no, ka ploy. Me ma ko abadi ODO AHOMASO.
Mo don so ma me kuma akun ze.
Nyame adom ye ho ye na ene me ma na wa he. Yo, yankwe.
Taxi
Okay, yanko.
Na se na man ka se ne ye udi wa ko da. No so for the same program no so da. Kunya na. Le mo so ada na hamra cheno de. Ko ko de ma. The most of that now the number holiday another over mouth. The most sometimes I send me here. So,
we are who do you? Then we are who do you say? We
pay matter. Company. It's a better say, most of you be a study or tour. It's sometimes or don't know between us or the name Akuno or Tim no Butu Bakon and says before now. Then the South Fast, the question trouble with the just said the BAU. I'm not better to see the better of on 2 years. I don't know. So, you're not on camera, what down on the sack of furniture,
sir,
or the pepper. Baby, or the man, or yet the other man. Now, Martinoso, on trial, Martinoso. The Mokoda, when you don't Yamanenda, what thou did deep, no, or the sack of furniture banana. The pepper, Ubwa, or the Bamau. It's a no matter. Why? That's it.
Come here, Sumi, Eric.
Oh, yes,
yo, Mate.
Oh, yes, I know.
Oh, yes, I do.
I do it.
Me da say, me ma ko body ODO AHOMASO. Hello. Me ma ko body ODO AHOMASO. Oh, hello. Okay, Mami Kinkan Facebook Accra. Listowell here says, nice show, keep educating us, mom. Ruby Vicky says, I've been trying to call you, but the lines are too busy. Yes, so as for ODO AHOMASO lines, and ya grow, they be a night busy. Hey, we get a family, me I want you crying, yeah, mama, shall we get more bread? Me that crown on Yehovah. Okay, Richard Saki here says, hello, mom. God richly bless you for your good work. Bless you too for making time to watch and also bring your comments here. Mami Ba says, Akuma, oh, I miss you too. Okay, okay. Vicky says we need to talk seriously. We'll talk, but I gave you your number. Gifty here says it's my first time watching you, and I'm really enjoying it. God bless you so much, and God bless you too. Isaac Adom here says more fire. Medase. Enoch says marriage is so sweet. Good. Richard says great work, mom. Medase. Pascal Sarkodie says me too, but can we be friends? Only one about friends, you know. Me too, but can we be friends? What are you talking about here? Pascal again, Sarkodie says, AMZ, I love your hair, Mama. Yes, my daughter did it for me. So if you want one, she can do one for you. Enoch Beidu says, I'm really enjoying your program and I'm learning so many things from this. Mama, God bless you and God bless you more. Kofi Nine says, hi, Mama, and hi, Kofi. You look cute this evening, Kofi Medase. Enoch says, watching you live from Casland, there's a Caswaland, me that say, hey, my dear. Kofi Nine says, watching live from Instagram, mommy, me that say. Johnson says, nice program, me that say. Enoch Bedu says, give us a thumb up of good, let it go. Nata Robin says, you are doing good. I say, how are you doing, Akuma? I'm good. Boy says, good morning, Akuma. I'm watching you live from Germany. You are looking so beautiful. Please stop covering your head. Sao, please, I need the WhatsApp number. Oh, this is my WhatsApp number. So, this is my WhatsApp number, so you can send whatever you want to send. Faith Kem says, Ma, good evening. I'm listening and learning for future use. Great. Watching you live from Koforidua or Kurase. Meda say, Bilson say, Mom, you looking good. Amen. Me and Yameba. God loves me so much that I need to look good every time, every second. Right? Yes. So don't be surprised if you see me look good. Our Lord is good all the time, and all the time He's good. Debia me wonyame na se enti oye me ye e ma ye eto ye bibia ayefefefe. All right, so keep on bringing the wonderful comments. Na me so me koso en ready en famamo. Ad African calls na sound. Me can't wait until and patch my me fa kakra na. We are still within time, so don't worry. Andy Dusty, it's your birthday, and I'm going to sing a birthday song for you. Why? Dusty man. Dusty man. Police says, nice program here. Isaac Adom, you need a girlfriend. And you need a girlfriend, so you want a girlfriend from Facebook, or you want me to give you a girlfriend? Mo dear, yeah, Mohadrion. Atukwa Amena says, good evening, Akuma. Nice program. You looking so beautiful. Thank you. All right, Inti Monfa comments in let me see the viewers. Oh, Mama viewers in 200 African for any tomb. Can I have the next caller, please? Okay. Me my call about the ODO AHOMASO.
No, don't say.
Obanabo, Emanabo. Unyoba. We are Bama. We are Bama.
But the Anthony.
Hey, also Antonio Dende. As of Antonio is saying.
Adom.
Also Anthony. So for me, Mamma. Nancy, I'm all ye. Now, what they done, and then never I dream.
In the baby now, the program that my who said, can call you know, changing message. Nothing, not to us.
So when they name my maid, no conversation, me banner and call you, no idea.
So go the problem, dear, dear, element, dear. My first starting, dear, and my that soon, that's all. But
no idea. Next, what you panic cry. Penny for no out. Which is like, maybe Panamuti, Baba, Munti,
my dinner, and I know what that. That's so change this message. Yeah,
powerful, wow. Wow. That that's a powerful.
Let me show. We are not, as I said, maybe a done. So, why no, you no problem. If you're more, a bruna what so into a tower no bread. Of the solution, our natural to make a 4x4. Make a 4x4 now, yeah, not that bread, you want everything. Let's remember that yes, I'll appear when I'm money. Buamina so my money, also our money. How you don't have also bought so our money. Never me and quite as the go a warrior who fit that. So you don't know until who see or thank me. I'm sure they thank her, and that's what they say. And there's so funny solutions near branch level for kind. They go, you be an option. So solution for him that solve a problem. No, you stand your money and yet, that's it.
Down, so me that's a pa, but me penny strategy, no, me ma kwa body board down home so.
Madam, so come.
Obahima, I don't know, Mamma, me a pe what you say. Oh, what say?
No, but so. No, what I'm saying.
Okay, my name Ram.
Where's your mama boy?
What's my name?
I'm on my boy, like me.
Oh, my mouth boy. Oh, boy, yeah, obey you, Kakakwa, now, boy, obey wow.
Baby, make you come.
Because I'm Pekuno.
But sure.
Sankabium.
Listen, make you come.
Okay, Upe Knua, where do you fear him?
But I'm all 37.
37. Me, sir, in fear, me, sir, area, but won't say no. We are say a day by more tumpa. Matchmaking, I've done it for so many years. My matching over baby, I disappointed on my home, baby, and so ye. And for some time, I can say, we are bar. Now, open that boldness. Now, bet me up near radio say ya. So, now, where Obian Sampa, what bet's not radio see the ampa, only boy, be or baby. Make it say when we stop your pump, open your canoe.
Amen.
Now, open so a bema now, open yan, no, on the swimmer now, bet now, and you won't quo. On the swimmer, no so about now.
I'm ready.
Right, we are ready, dear. Send me for text message, you call 0244 340 484.
484. Okay.
0244 340 484. We are 34 years long.
37.
37. We are 27.
Oh, but they are okay, like chocolate.
We are chocolate. Everybody miss me a chocolate. Why? Me bacho okay set to send me and also crash him.
Oh, that's medium. Oh, yeah, yes.
Open me yes, shall me a medium size. So okay, so send me the text message and we'll book.
But number medium
0244 340 484.
484. Okay.
Just send me a text message, why, sweetie.
I hear it.
All right, bless you.
All right, bless you too.
Hey, and remember, nobody should call me Sakuma away media. No. And nobody should send me any message until she comes. And every man, Obeka saw that beautiful lady is going to come. No, who said you're no better than or Kaya. No, Sana wants to be Basakuma mini. Mina me can't say me for ban, Miss Mini. That's all. And me ma kwa body board down my son. Ah, fire. Yeah.
But so, this now, I brought the also. Can I never the bedroom back? Why? Then I made my telephone or I put the money. Or I put the money. Because I didn't I am coming into the Casaway. Now, Miss Slow, what can you papa say? Hello.
I just think I have a passing.
Missy, I come back and see the banana from what I say, hello.
Yes, Mama, Minty Doc and a Sempacho to Bonacasa.
Missy, breaking up, no? Huh? Okay.
Hello. It's your Casa.
Okay. I just said because I'm about to be sitting back. No, I can't remember now.
Ah, Uber TNT won't.
Okay.
Uber TNT, Abba. Okay. My African in your number. Me, I'm a send TNT, no about sorry, why?
Me, I'm not to you.
Let me say, for one number, no more African. What the manual? Me send mobile money. Now what to me, Abba? I sorry, why?
Ayo.
Was mean to me, go get your pastor. I said, almost scan. I was saying, me, most Canada, but sorry. It's me that 70 African agent number, mammy. Why? African by your number. I'm not African agent number.
African,
Okay. Anna Eric, the what I say.
Oh yeah.
I can go and tell my prophet say, "Mommy, Afre said maniskana." Sorry, no, it is not done.
No.
I was saying, "I'm maniskana or timid bar." Sorry, that's right. Hey, ain't mom gonna for? Hello. Hello.
Hello.
That's him. Me ye juma. Obi e bisa me na ma me de amano. Na wo fra me say, "Ah me ye juma, e de ansa na ape." Huh? I don't know where sir. Mom, then you should stop that thing. And you want to make me for me number, me personal number, MOBia. Obi me me the mama, no be friend of money, sir, and soon him say me here, Juma. It is not fair. Eh? It is not fair. Sebi so why you muda wa? Mama obi na ma me say on testament no. Now was what testament? I can say because you gave the mama, me now was what testament. But no, you are calling the number, you are the pen obesia there. When are you going to learn? Yeah. Why do you do that? And you want to me from me na mama obia. You better stop this. Stop this. It is not fair. It is not fair. Musuba say to mama ko be presenters broker journalists, so much inform personal numbers. No. Because of this, your character. But me, from the year 2000, and I'm started in my personal number at 2 years. I don't know how bomb I now down my soul. Echoes to see. They are still calling. What can cause? What can I mean? They are still calling. Are you okay? Let's get on the show. Sweetheart, Yanko. Is there somebody online, please? Maybe I'll call about the board ODO AHOMASO.
Madam.
Oh, wonderful. Sorry, so again, so why? So, who didn't maybe after free?
I just feel like a traffic answer.
Odom, meet you.
I jump a little bit. My film. And I feel like I about Philip coming and no answer. And now the guitar, I mean, met the stars.
Who come on, check out the styles?
Let's share it.
Now, say so, hey.
Oh, I shall.
And I also want oh, Jesus is Lord. Ain't he said, Yamia, don't put me share, Namu Timo, a young Sambe, and then Namu Tim.
I look out for a program. On the other time, I say, I don't know.
Oh, couldn't have Refia Shamano. Wow, what a love.
Because it's not a catching the silly man.
Oh, said you couldn't have friend. Now was waiting my friend, and a week there be and a week out. The following week, first week in September, first Saturday in September. When you come show you so what me about.
But you want to try. My picking number and see a reference.
In October, say next week, 26th. I'm sorry. And to make next month, yeah.
Next month,
next month, October, right?
That's
right. 21st Saturday.
Yeah.
Mama, I'll give you a gift, okay?
That's right.
Open some new show, any ukunenka. Say, or can or player. Never friend me, it was 0244 340. Okay, but I am on your home. Now, if you move from me back on 0244 340 Why? More don't I me federal. That means
my friend.
Your friend is saying,
your friend is John.
Who could your friend is saying?
John.
Joe.
John.
John. Johnny. Johnny Ashiaman. We read something can't you so I feel now can no one around. Oh my God. And position of a mouth. No. Consortia made the position me by 2 months. See why. Ushiana Mudia Dim Hawaii. Powerful. Medas. Sometimes I tell people, say, I'm not with you know, you see, both of them are listening. Some what him be any motivate Yankopon my warrior. I pepa asum jebe bem sikabe bem inshira and mabe bem asum jebe ma wadi mu mumienu nyina madwuma ebe koso e ma ye ato ye munya mujidi amonye so amen and amen.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Yes, in sempa ni semponi efi yenum eba. Timaka papa go so ebe ye so Africa me fa two pe why na fa ye fa video ni ntum na ye nto aso. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello, I can hear you.
Great. Your name and where you calling from?
This is Elijah, taxi driver.
Hey, how are you, taxi driver?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm terrific. By grace, we are well.
Come on.
I am caught. Me say we do it. I didn't better for you.
Oh, me do it. I'm machine. I'm be sure say. Me bomb home day and I'm saying kuya no on training. Don't know my position. No, I say about the sex. No, and man. We are controller, bedroom controller.
That's why you're bedroom commandos.
Commando.
Bedroom IGP.
Yeah.
Yeah, bedroom majors.
The moment I'm control section. And my memory need you. So they are. And see, sometimes now, I am not many you are come a yanka. Okay, you bar. Ma, or bad be being your fair. Bring so banana when you begin. I say flowers you feel. So quick, no crown boss show before no who anymore. The real big show and Mama saw Hannah if you so. It's a man to be an India, I am still home, but do and Melissa. You said Mukrana, no opportunity, not Okun Bema. I quite remember our wife will be my ministry, I the member who are answered for over the years. No, quay. Don't get me to to China at the Pijay. I'm not going to man, I'm not quite you'll be no children, them are not sorry. Mammy for time. And don't come your money. I'll be only that dinner Pijay, a year, not a paper. And the Malmuntin Mayor, your how dear, Moon. Because Mona, you need to show up, not how we need not the thing that you have good sex. Now, at the right time, with the right woman, a bushy immune system, a woman made us.
And so, me that say, pa. If I'm a last but one caller now, me my call body about ODO AHOMASO.
Come on, let me shut up. Make us a free call to but you program ya check because of the as you shop papa new program away
that's your penny now I'm Odin
very Kofi Thomas
Kofi Thomas for prior PSA
PPS ko
PPS yo
my bia between and then kwana ma flow amenya o mensa account me tio e ko ben 19 years
I am pa yamin show na say wo fa me maame a e de ne be wadwem
you see me no ka say primary naked na me dai
Ewrade
ya bia ho kakra na ja me dia flow
enti wo di mo hwe na adwem na be oditim
ono ene enye ho liwura toya die se bia go kuyi mame what I say o je ho mame se o don so de when kuma mi yan say let that
in fact that may celebration of 20 years he party hey mo nyina wasa motimi ba o
no ba
na wasa motimi ba na eye de pa ye be ye twen kakra ma je say ya ma ye kwan kakra
what
madam asepawate
no mo listen na me sha papa
nyame so nhira mu nyina madam ase mo na mo me mre no nipa say na mo me mre me mabe mu kra mu da because minim se mu tie mu suan so hwe de okan o se wa bobi kwama o da ho keja okay say no African me here how many people mo share videos no mo nyina mo Facebook African fatum for sex position it to mame for the week grija Mami fa ko jon chintum ai kojo ya the video na tumo mo hwe edem kaka akonka akokoko konka akonkonko ko mon sha kaka mon sha mami emeso mon sha mami mumra he awa fam aje ye na edem no konka edem boy. Are you ready for me, Michael?
Kuma.
So we have video no. So we have also.
Let me make sure.
But more than for two. Now, okay, we are ready. They are sharing. They are telling people. One more share. Mami some kind at the Shumaima. What they call social search for it now. Me Gift Yando again says my first time watching. I'm really enjoying it. God bless you so much. Yeah. Linda, my kind Linda dada. Mami koha okay. Godfred Kwabna says, wow. Good morning. How are you doing? Good work. God bless you. I'll see. You are live from Toronto. God bless you. Toronto, dear, Canada, Toronto. Mrs. Siekwe, Hobichia, Munina, Montier sound, no, position a ba. Oh, ready. A bed, come on. Bernice Aqua says, I love this program, Pa. God bless you, Mama, and God bless you too. Obed Ohene Amwakon, I'll say, hi, Mama Zimbi. Good evening. I'm seriously gonna get someone tonight, really? God bless you. Greetings to you, to Mr. Eric Yomate. May I say Eric Yechiao? Nash Hayford here says, hi, I'm Hayford from Antoine. So please tell me how to approach a girl. 22 years old, girl. You are not serious, oh. You don't love your life at all. Rita Edu says, good show, Mama. I'm listening with my husband, but it's unfortunate that he is in Europe. But we are listening together now. Good show. So, our Ghana and a new our Europe, and they are listening. So, how do I get a sound? Okay, so. Wow, in that bedroom. This is what I do every Friday on Adom TV in Timuntie. And then I'm coming on Zimbi, bedroom on any girl. I'm more baba. Why you ready? Can't you know? I won't say about Panasonic or Yania and all him. Come to Facebook and see what I'm talking about. Mumra Facebook and watch it, baby. You will love it and like it. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, let's start the video. Let's start the video, Libyo. Sex position and crop Emma for everyone is saying. ODO AHOMASO educational sex position me. And then I come on my Zimbi, maybe bedroom one and I grow. I'm more for bad. Why you ready? Can't you know? I won't say the one panasonic or yeah, and I owe him the pan. They say, oh, stretch it. I bet they say, ODO AHOMASO, and I drew a bed there. And we are a bed there. Where was you anytime? Say, swoop to say, we are boss, say, how much? It's a bit real woman. I say, come on, I can say, educational sex position and go Emma for. Everyone is saying, Natty dread sex position. Everyone, Natty dread sex. Black is beautiful. Every comes over me. I prepare bow. Natty dress sex position. Let me see. This is a real bedroom. Hey, Batman, no baby. Okay. So I read the background. Yes, we say the pace. We bring out the original. Boko. It's Batman on BM. Right here. Boko. Position way, Emma, Obama crying. Emma didn't suffer from a slap one and they took home. Batman so sorry, any tea on inside. Batman is on Sunday now, Obama. What is sorry, and they cover 19. And we are not normal times, as you can see there. Oh, my son, Fisher Max, we are to one get it deeper. The man is in control. The pound is here. Into the window, a bag I can a pan by more. Now, Obama, then in 9 years, I want to cheat. That's right. Hit me. Ooh, yo. So that is a 19th position for you. It is cool, man. May I say, the way come on. I will yes, I'm so bad. I'm sorry, go. Beman let China want to walk a crown of Obama better in Temo. It's more here. Beman let China walk a crown. A tree wall and tree. Chiam, beautiful, nice. Ooh, yeah. Boko, aha. Say, Natty dresses position no one afternoon. Beman or form Obama was slow. They say, oh my, you're going now. Come on. Now, what is that when they and now you read any guitar? Sweetie, one sorry for people, they are just relaxing. Maybe I say, come on. It's a net of ODO AHOMASO. Educational sex position. If you are broad, like I would say, I am Natty dread sex position. The one that we will say, I don't want to. Wow. That is it, baby. I'm sure you're liking and loving it. Come on Facebook. Maybe a different one as I tum. Maybe a different one as I tum. Mom's favorite is another one. I have to give it to them, baby. And Eric, what do you say?
Come on.
Did you say it?
De papa.
Shh.
Hey. Where do you online there? Now I say, oh, radio. What would the online there now? Radio. I did do, baby. I did do. Hankwana Obinyano. There's the Bigenic mama, the lioness. Oh, my granny at death. Why wouldn't it be enough? You won't chill. Why would you and I will know Ukraine problem now? Won't chill. What did you Chris Grabina Aidan? Chris Grabina Aidan says, good program. I have been listening to you since I was in my teenager. Wow, your impact is great. God bless you, Mama. So, what's one tear? What's one share? What's your impact? Ben Albania. Come on, Mom, baby. I'm starting for to Mama. And then me pile more. How many? Oh, I have just 5 minutes. Me the bedroom. Don't worry. Yeah. Me the bedroom, Mama. Don't worry, cry. Wife, can but always me Samira here says, good evening, Mom. You are looking very good. I'm watching you from Toronto. God bless you. Samira, God bless you too. God bless you more. Akushika, hello, sweet mama. Greetings from Saudi from what to say. I took Hamina Ewaha. I said, good evening, Akuma. A nice program. You are looking beautiful too. Oh yes. Zion here says, Mama, please announce this for me. We are having a serious issue with the electricity cables. Oh, sir. Okay. What you say for? Yo, mate, makama. What you say for? Say, my life and how more. Emmanuel says, before the sex, we go on sleep
naked, communication, touching body to body, sexily romantic, very long time before the net slowly. Before you enter into the net. Obi na amma said dear my fana. Alfred says, I misunderstanding. Okay, my kind of Nana Kwame Bishop says, wonderful program, Mama. God bless you. Okay. Mensa says, Mom, is a lady I'm dating, and okay, I hear you. Men says, very educated program from a virtuous lady. Thank you, love. Mwah. Maxwell Mante here says, good evening, Mama Zimbi. God bless you for your good work. Today, you look so nice. Oh, my. Okay, it's like you're loving me more with my wigs, right? But I'll be a show wig, but I do need them done back up. So I can wear wig to radio. I can wear wig to television. But make on out there my signature tune. Yeah. My image should come with the hairgear because that one I'm one and only by grace. Online. Okay, Rose here says, looking good, Mom. Don't be putting on hairgear again. Oh, yeah, one me. Mate, Hayford says, Akuma, please. I will text you because I need to talk to you so badly, okay? All right, I'm there for you. I'm always here for you, okay? So, Ruben, okay. Francisca Asari says, Akuma, my wife is sleeping and she is in her mens. Oh, I'm really sad. Don't worry. Let her be in her mens. She'll finish soon. When she finishes, you give it to her the way it is. Okay? Charles J says, Bisco from Konongo. And I say, I'm enjoying Fanta Brutal. Mate? Or Joy Show, no Fanta Brutal. Listowell here says, nice show. Keep educating us, Mom. Keep your education, Mom. Albert Ankro says, I'm having sex now. Thank you for telling me that you're having sex. Whilst I am busily here, you are having sex. Adam, yes, see for Sarah Enoch says, good evening and good evening to you. Enoch says she's waiting for me. Oh, really? She's in the mood. Okay. Or die. Tema. I met this young guy in Tema. He's a very nice person. I said, Mom is now on air. I'm enjoying her. She's now live from Ashima, Lebanon. Thank you, and thank you so much, Odwe from Tema. That the last time you introduced yourself to me when we met. Thank you so much, brother. Stephen Asari says, Akuma, please. I like the smell of my wife's vagina. Mwah! That is good. So I smell it every time during sex. Please, am I wrong? No, that's okay. Is there anything wrong with smelling?
He's enjoying the
Adi emo. I'm naturally
yeah.
And we are called one. I had the party. I could say, Honabeka. Who are you? Mamma Yamu and by heart. Marry and let your husband enjoy you. Share. What for say I grow? I shall be a Yeniago Hakra. Emmanuel Kofi says, I love your teachings about sex, education. Mama, you're too much. Thank you so much. Eric. Baby, I'm ready to see a poem. Yeah. And then I'll catch out the smile.
Oh, the America true Biane say, said the brother about what can I say? No, we actually didn't know. Yen Jai Sadiano, Ma Obano, and man in Imran. Na bema no so ani nko ho na mundi ade na munenje sisi ya mete me sweetheart send me message say wa fe me nka me ho na nso na pete me nka me ho mbra na ye nto aso na me say Philip obi kume me so me dono pa nti me chia no oda ho twa me na ye nuanom me sremo asem a ye kan aware de ede enti empem agro no nso no eno na ma aware no nso etimi yede se problem ba confusion ba na se empam agro enye ade edi enkan anasa ade emu yede wo aware ni mu a problems ne ba ne solve yeden tebusuafo mesremo moma yentimi enjoy ye ho na moma ye ma odo no endi bibia ebeye mu ekan na ne ba mu a ye ne beje ede akọ owu dem
wa ade shima me so person wa wade so o person who bibia about our from see a ware wo wadua ne nua wo see said you be keep wo demo near my bay in your never wook no near my bay wo yuri ama mo nyamo energy no aye pa 50-50 no you will get it from ODO AHOMASO by grace 20 years and your small journey 20 solid years and your small journey and then what wait here no and I was sad that see papa your friend ko 19 years wait here and it's the gospel truth but kofu ferry some make so much ODO AHOMASO up to now program anipa ba by grace why ya nipa umba keka na resource persons ebi ba na ebi ko if it's here for the be quiet resource persons because of what here is you know the inputs ba so program o free aga cho bisa wutie and be free aga cho bisa wo hwe and they we ho and they wala this is the time was blown big ODO AHOMASO aboa me and ODO AHOMASO ODO AHOMASO and come and keep virginity you have to be saying it can nyame nshira can nyame mie kwan ma because ODO AHOMASO is not a bad show it's educational eye opener I mean boosting you making you become more confident and letting you know how some men are how wicked some men are how wicked some women are and how you can always keep your eyes on the road and have the patience to wait that definitely your time will come because obi ni word near to nyame so nyame di hwamboda and I preach it and I preach it and I preach it sweetheart so what to me na what see me na what warrior and the tie me na nkoso afi na baba nso akoso tie I have women who come and pese me dia na nua form me pese me sua dia na nua na me se me kire no I don't just say me kire na ma be no I do so many wonderful things that I don't put on social media so many wonderful things with people that I don't put on social media no when you want talk kwa nyame kubi mawo se woni mu kasaka nyame nkebi mawo esi me me bibia ma erade yes I'm a social media person I win social media so many awards I won it look we have set so many pace I feel I'm also mobile so and bibia na me talk and you be on social media and safin no baba Johnny Abusandia ye wa dwen ye ye wa come ye na ye wo say I am ready to learn me nyama me na wedi over 16 na wa school na what you na I'm going to give her something special that can do spirit ni kwala bremu wenti me anya nkono ko share ne ho say I will say wait me I comment and say friends BC ya wawie and then nyame frɛ no the soul will go straight me kasa ba be wo but why na koma so ade enti wan kasa no goals ben and wait me ahya ma wo ho na person goals a wa hya nyina enti me ye and the ben nyame ntem wonu wo hwehwe mo nyinyi mu o say no matter colored how dirty we are we should just come to him and he will make it as white as snow. See ebenya abotre na de atwa nyame. Nyame de opedi bon abotre. Yeah. Because on the miracles gidi. O mie a prune intentem o chain 3 years. 5 years. 7 years. And o ka say mo akwa no kwafo. When di no kra mame. Na for baby kwan now the way see us was 1 year now say nyame on shiraw there be obetimi asesa 3 years you can't pretend 5 years you cannot pretend 7 years won't even pretend no it's assume nyame a yama ye ho abotre forget about the blessings it will come when you least expect it sweetheart when am dey ja what I love you the way you love me. And maybe I go to Vianua, now Bompire, no I can't about Kuma Mazembe. Any woman winning Momo, any woman so winning Momo, and will draw home so both radio and television. Yamia do moi. Or they don't do me a quada, and you may not do. You better say share, and will draw my soul. God bless us all. Bye bye. Eric, thank you. I love you. African, thank you so much. You are so special. But I know Tima Kuma. African or Tima Kuma. Eh? Don't do that again. Love you. I know. And person go, hey, go back and say, hey, I don't know, Mama, I can say Africa, it's not coming. I know if we'll call you. Don't worry. And Mommy and Fa, let's pour some sugar into the honey and then let's go. I'll leave you with the maestro, Kojo, and Chi.